Alright, language explorers. So, let's have a look at today's Thursday adverbs. So, no longer. Not anymore. Stopped. Yeah. Not anymore. No. We no longer work together. I no longer do that. I no longer do that. I no longer speak with them. I don't speak with them. I no longer speak with them. Since then, I no longer speak to them. Nope. That's it. We no longer need that tool. Yeah. Things have changed and we no longer need it. We no longer need it. Things have changed. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah. I no longer go there. Yeah. I have not been there in years. Been there in years. I no longer go there. No, thank you. No, thank you. Yeah. In the future, we might no longer go to that event. Depends on things. Yeah. It will soon run out of... People will lose interest. People will lose interest and no longer go there. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. No longer. Yeah. Soon I will no longer record lessons, for example. Yeah. Yeah. Not anymore. Not anymore after a certain time, especially. Yeah. So, can you use no longer in a sentence, language explorers? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy by searching for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.